when I show her. Yes, so this is Pismo Beach, in case you haven't been here. This is my little bro. There's a doggy.
I'm 7.
And then,
I'm 7 in dog years.
if you were 7 in dog years, then you would be 1. What the heck? It's supposed to be 7 times 7 if it, I'm sorry for the math, but 7 times 7 would be your dog years. I don't know. I can't remember the problem because I'm recording right now. I don't need to think. Nah, that's not a good idea. Kid safety 101. Don't jump off cliffs.
Why?
Hell no. Look at that beach house. Did you stay there, right?
Oh!
I know.
How can someone live there? If I ever jumped off the bed, then I'd freaking fall through the floor and break my neck. Cool. Woo. DuckTales. A woohoo. No. Pismo Beach House. The safest place to live in. Sure. That's how you get in. What?
What's the video that we see sand?
Oh, woo! Sand. You guys want to play in it? Done.
Watch these fucking, like this is one of the a paint parking lot. That's probably why they closed it.
Why?
So,
To see it wasn't before, so.
this is basically... Ooh. I like sand. Sand is squishy.
There's benches up there.
We better not go back. You can get back here. Oh, wait. I just... What are you, some kind of Naruto? Da-na-na, na-na-na.